Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Baking with Babies 2020 edition. It's as if Emilia and Eduardo are trapped in time and became blonde and ginger. Andrea? Hi. Okay, that's for the cookies. 1 second. Alright, so today we are baking chocolate chip cookies with M&Ms. You can get them in a minute! You can have it in a minute! It's okay, it's okay. You can have it in a minute. Okay, do you want one? Do you want one? Is that better? And on that note, we're gonna bake chocolate chip cookies. This is my favorite recipe. I've tried tons of different chocolate chip cookie recipes over the years, and this is the one that I've tried and tested so many times and tweaked so many times, and it's the one that everybody loves. These are soft, chewy cookies, and you can put M&Ms on them. I do these, like, I change them seasonally. So for Valentine's Day, you can do pink and red M&Ms. You can do green for St. Patrick's Day. You can do red and green for Christmas. You can do whatever you want. So we're gonna get started because he really wants the chocolate. What you'll need is 3 1/4 cups of plain flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're using pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you want, but make sure you don't skimp on the salt because it's important. 1 cup of butter, 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar, light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, and whatever M&Ms of your choice. I haven't taken them out yet because if I did, they would be gone. Okay, let's start by, we're gonna mix the flour and the baking powder. We're gonna put this in. Can you put it in? You don't need the spoon for this, you just add it in. Good girl. Not yet. And the baking soda. Good girl. And Dre, do you want to do some?
Yeah.
You want to do the salt?
I want to do
No, let's let Dre do the salt, okay? Do the salt. Go on, put it in. Thank you. Good boy. Okay, now let's see, can you mix? Good girl. Try not to flick it out of the bowl, okay? Try to do it gently. Jojo wants to mix too. Oh my goodness. You are so good. That's amazing mixing, well done. Do you want to do some mixing, Andrea? No? Okay. Okay, let's just make sure that's all well combined, okay? Yeah. All right.
We've done this.
Yeah, we've done that one. I'm just gonna get something, okay?
Ooh.
Don't eat anything or touch anything. Okay.
Ooh. Wow, mix.
Okay, now we've got our stand mixer. We're gonna mix the butter. Do you wanna put the butter in, Leslie?
Yeah.
Good girl. Big. And the sugars. Jojo, do you wanna do the sugar? No, let him do this one. Here. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, good boy.
Hey, what's that?
That's brown sugar. Leslie, do you want to do the white sugar?
Yeah. I'm about to do this.
We're going to make a loud noise, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Steady. Can you say go?
Go.
Whoa. Now you're just going to mix the butter and the sugar for 1 minute until it's all combined. Is that nice?
Huh?
You like it? No, don't touch them. No, don't touch. Okay, we're gonna add in eggs. The egg is a little bit tricky. Okay, so let mommy crack the egg. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Can I eat it?
Well, you can't eat it now. Ooh. Enough one. Okay. All right, and now we're gonna mix this again. There we go. Okay, let that mix. Mommy's just gonna wash her hands, don't touch anything. When that's done, we're gonna add in, wait, not yet, Alessia, that comes at the end. That comes at the end. Just, who wants to add in the vanilla? Do you want to add in the vanilla? Let's let him do it and then you can do the chocolate chips. Deal?
Yeah.
Andrea, here, you pour it. You do it. Oh, good boy. Oh my goodness, look. Good boy.
Now can I do
Don't touch it.
Now can I do that? Now can I do that?
Let's mix again.
Can I do that?
Not yet. Now, this is the fun part, guys. We're gonna add in some flour. Okay?
The flour.
It's a bit tricky.
What is it?
Flour. And now we have to mix this on slow because it's gonna get flour everywhere. There we go.
It's got chocolate.
No chocolate yet. At the end, we're gonna add them in, okay? And that can be your job, Alessia, I promise. All right? It's cookie dough. That's raw egg. What are you doing? Was that nice? Alessia, I want you to add the whole cup into here. Well done. And now, guys, watch your fingers and toes. Careful. Oh my goodness. The cookie dough. Don't put your hands in, okay? It's very dangerous. No, 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 no. Don't. See the cookie dough? No, 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 don't touch it, because it'll chop your little fingers off. Now, Alessia, let's put it. If you're really good, you can lick this thing, okay, the paddle. You want to lick this thing together?
Yeah. I want to lick it first.
Well, you have to share.
Okay.
All right. You want some? Here. Instead of licking it, because it's cookie dough, just do this. Here. Just take it in your hand. Is that good? Is it yummy? So this recipe makes about 30 cookies. No. So what I usually do is get 3 baking trays, baking sheets ready with parchment paper. No. The oven is preheating at 175 degrees Celsius. Yeah, in a minute. So what I usually do is I divide the dough, which looks like this, into about 3 big lumps. Okay, I don't usually have these guys with me when I do this part, so bear with me, okay guys? All right, so that's 1, probably. You need to sit down because I keep elbowing you in the face. And you. Right, that's 2. Don't, Alessia. Alessia, stop. And this is gonna be 3. Alessia. Alessia, I said stop. No, no. I'm serious, okay? If you do that, you can't have any M&Ms. That's cookie dough. Don't touch it, please. All right, let's do a little bit here, a little bit here. I'm trying to get all of it out. I usually make these for like family and friends if we're going to see family, but thankfully these will only be eaten by us. So then, wait. Divide it in half. Andrea, this is not, no. a demonstration for you. And then we're gonna do one, we're gonna roll them into little balls. So one,
A little ball. A big ball.
two,
Two.
Andrea, don't touch. Three. I know you're hungry, hold on. Leslie, don't touch.
Funny face.
5, yeah.
One,
And then,
two,
hold on.
2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1.
11.
I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. 5. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing for each cookie sheet, okay? Divide it in half. Alessia. And then divide it in 5. This is just how I make sure that they're all relatively equal. That's done. Now we're gonna get the best part. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Snack time. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them all in the middle. Whoa. Excuse me, they're not for eating. Right, and what we're gonna do, what you need to do is basically put them, no, not eat them. We're gonna put these onto the cookies. I usually do about 3 or 4. Can you do it, please? Do about 3 on each, okay? We'll start with 3 and then we'll see how many we have to go around. Do you wanna do one, Dre? Put it on the, good choice. Good choice, okay.
No,
Let's keep doing them.
this one.
And if you do it like this, they just look prettier after they come out of the oven.
One.
Yes.
This one. Done.
Okay.
Yay.
Wow, that's a lot, Andrea. Not sure you need that many. Let's see, you can do some more. Do like 3 on each, maybe? Good boy, Andrea. Okay. No, we're not eating them. We're putting these onto the cookies. Okay? I mean, I pretty much give up. You see, we need to put them on the cookies, not in your mouth. Okay?
Okay. This is in mine.
We're gonna pop these in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want them to be like not, this is hard to explain. You want them to be soft, okay? So don't overdo it with the baking. If you take them out and they still look a little bit raw at like 12 minutes, just take them out because they will harden up over time and as they cool, and you still want that chewiness in the center. So just don't overbake them is basically what I'm saying.
Can go down there.
What about your brother? All right, we're done. Let's put these in the oven.
Hey.
Alessia! Oh my goodness! As I was saying, some of them are really soft and they're dropping. I probably should have let them sit a little bit longer, but usually 2 to 3 minutes will do the trick. And then transfer them to a wire rack. Are they good? That's probably enough now, okay? We don't want to spoil our dinner, do we? Here, you can share this one together now, okay? All right, you can share this droopy one. Cheers. Oi, cheers, take your one.
My hands.
Okay. Is it nice?
That's my hands.
I'll wash your hand. If you try out this recipe, I'll leave the ingredients down below and I'll leave the recipe down below. If you try it out, let us know, tag us on Instagram or tag us on Twitter or wherever you are. And we will see you guys in our next video. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Say please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more. And we'll see you again next time. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.